If you're looking to sell a house in Schaumburg, listen up. I may have a few tips for you to look out for in this video. So let's get to it. Ben Weaver here, an Illinois attorney and founder of 23 Legal. I provide personal, practical, and professional legal service by guiding clients through the process of buying and selling a home throughout Chicago and the suburbs. With me, as always, is Adam, the tired dad Carr.
I just want a full night of sleep.
Watching those phones and the socials, and hopefully he'll sleep someday. And we wanted to take a few minutes to talk about some things you have to look out for when selling a house in Schaumburg that may be a little different from selling a house in other areas. In Illinois, each city, village, and municipality has its own laws, rules, and quirks you need to know about when you're either buying or selling a house. In Schaumburg specifically, we'll talk about special taxes that are the duty of the seller to cover, calculate that final bill, and purchase the village stamp. These are all necessary for finalizing the closing of the property. For those who are looking to move to Schaumburg, let's give a brief overview of the village. Schaumburg is a northwest suburb of Chicago. It's split between Cook and DuPage counties, and it sits about 10 miles north of O'Hare, and was recently voted the best place to live in all of Illinois. So take that, Carbondale. The village of Schaumburg has a population near 80,000 and was officially incorporated in 1956. So Schaumburg has a $1 for $1,000 tax. This means for every $1,000 the house costs, a $1 tax is applied. So if the house costs $100,000, you pay $100 in tax to the village. If it costs $200,000, you pay $200, and so on. Just something to keep in mind. We'll need to contact the village 3 days before closing to calculate that final village bill, and then obtain the village transfer stamp for the seller. To get that stamp and pay the tax, 23 Legal will need to bring the Schaumburg form, which we'll prepare, the MyDeck, which is a complicated state tax form, which we'll prepare, and the deed to Village Hall. Once all of that is paid to the village and the papers are signed, the sale is finalized and you receive the money for your house. All in all, selling a house is still selling a house. It's a process that can be stressful at times, but we here at 23 Legal are looking to help you through the sale. Knowing the quirks and the traits of the area you are selling in ahead of time help assure that you, the seller, will not get bombarded with surprise taxes and will help make sure that sale goes through and is finalized. Schaumburg is a fantastic place to move to if you're looking to get closer to the city, yet still have that village feel. Woodfield Mall is right at home, and you can easily take your family downtown to Chicago for a day. If you have any questions in the home buying or selling process in Schaumburg or any of the surrounding areas in Illinois, leave it in the comments below, and we'll make a video on that soon. If you know someone who is buying or selling their home, show them this video, and be sure to subscribe for more content on real estate law in Illinois. I'm Ben Weaver from 23 Legal, open to taking new contracts and clients, and I'll see you in the next video. House costs.